is Doug Small, DPW Director.
My name's Evan White. I'm the senior engineer for the town of Ashland.
I am Becca Navarro. I'm a civil engineer for the Ashland Department of Public Works.
My name is Dave. I am the solid waste manager, program manager for the town of Ashland within the Department of Public Works.
Hi, my name is Kevin Langmeyer. I'm the stormwater technician and traffic coordinator for the Department of Public Works.
I'm Dan Maurer. I'm in charge of the water and sewer department.
We take care of the water, the drinking water, the wastewater, the highway department for the roads, stormwater, traffic control, facilities, all the municipal buildings, the athletic fields, engineering, rubbish recycling, cemetery, parks, and trees. And each one has its subcategories.
I kind of run the stormwater division. I also do a lot of work with highway and also the engineering. I run that as well. We do everything. Roadway maintenance on the highway side of things, potholes, sidewalks, capital projects.
We're mainly responsible for stormwater compliance and meeting the MS4 permit, which ensures there's no illicit discharges into our stormwater infrastructure, which remains from catch basin cleaning to repairs to drain lines, inspections, as well as construction site inspections.
I specifically work a lot on town water and sewer infrastructure.
Basically responsible for all things rubbish, recycling, and hazardous waste.
We take care of all the water treatment plant and the water supply distribution system, the tanks, the sewer system with all the lift stations.
This is really not an average day, and in this type of work, sometimes there's things that happen, emergencies that happen at night or on the weekend. It is not your typical 9 to 5 office job. So I was with the state for Mass Highway for about 10 years, and just so happens there was an opening in Ashland for a highway cemetery superintendent, and so I applied for the job with the town.
I was in the private sector for a number of years, and being at my former company, I thought about, I wonder what it's like on the public side of things. So I ended up finding an ad for the town of Ashland. Felt like my resume was really what they were looking for, so I came in for an interview.
I had my own construction business, so I did landscape construction for a long time. An opportunity arose in in Framingham, and I gave it a shot and ended up really enjoying it. An opportunity opened up in Ashland, and I thought with the treatment plant and everything else, it'd give a different set of opportunities and challenges. So here I am, and again, I'm glad I made the move.
After working in the private sector for about 15 years, I think I was ready for a change. I had found that there was a job posting for the town of Ashland.
So I worked in the private sector for about 7 years before this, and then I had my son, and I kind of wanted to change, and we moved to Ashland about 4 years ago, and it was kind of the perfect fit to be in the public sector and to be close to home.
I started off as summer help right after graduating at the cemetery, park, and tree. And as time went on, positions opened up, and I just kept moving on up. My father was a police officer in town. I was born and raised in town, so I kind of always lived in town, worked in town, knew everybody, and just kind of became a townie, I guess.
Decided to stay in Ashland because I've liked it here so much.
I think the town of Ashland has that hometown feel, very similar to the town of Bellingham where I grew up. And I've been with the town of Ashland for a little over 20 years now, and it's grown and evolved quite a bit, but it still has that home away from home feeling to me.